Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I wanted to do is share with you some insight on what we do in the Swing Charts membership plan. Now, this video that you're going to see right now is a quick little clip, meaning it's cut, and you'll see a couple of little sections of it from the actual members section. So in the members section, you'll get the full video. In this video, you'll go ahead and see a little cut or trimmed version of it. So if you're interested in joining us to see what we do in the members section of the Swing Charts membership, go ahead and take a look at our website at tradersfly.com. So you can see it's tradersfly.com, and you'll be taken to a site like this. By the way, go ahead and check out some of the freebies we have there. You can download a bunch of freebies absolutely free by going to this area. But if you want to see the members section, go ahead and click this members area right there. And then you can go here and you can check out the Swing Charts, and that'll take you to a page similar to this. Now, just for you guys right now, because we have kind of this deal promotion going on, I want to go ahead and share the love. So you can go ahead and click the Get It Now button here on the monthly plan. And what you can do is go ahead and when you go to the coupon, share the love, all lowercase, apply the coupon, and what it'll do is give you half off the first month for signing up. So again, remember, coupon codes expire from time to time. It's not going to last forever. So as you're watching this video, maybe it already expired. But in the meantime, we try to keep this coupon code active as you're watching the video. So keep that in mind. If you have any trouble or issues, feel free to reach out to us or our team. Anyways, I'd love to see you in the membership section. We really focus in on charts, technical analysis, and you'll get a sample of that here as we go into this video. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, let's look at AMD. And if we check this one out and you look at just where things lie and fall, here, right there, this is kind of support right here. So there's support. Here is your resistance and resistance. You notice this was the breakout level there. And you can see the stock is attempting to hold this support level and kind of keep the price at that point. You are getting some resistance at this upper range, so this is where you're getting some overhead resistance. You're also near the $100 level, so near the $100 price level is a problem and can be an issue. So be a little more careful about that. Anyway, beyond that, we also have some, longer term support around here. So this is like a critical support level here around 75. We'll see if we get there, but nevertheless, this is what's going on with this one. Typically bullish on this stock, but right now it's just in a little bit of a lull, or 88, 90 is kind of that support zone for it. Okay, let's look at Boeing. It's starting to pull back a bit after we look at this. I think for a longer term play, Boeing could be a good trade, and that could be healthy. But here, right now, we're just, again, pulling back a bit. Notice the nice bullish volume there that's been coming in. That's been pretty good, but now you're getting this slight bit of pullback. So this here it is. This pullback has been on lighter volume, which is usually healthy and good. So in that case, I am bullish on the longer term. I think longer meaning like a couple of years in this case. But shorter term, what you'll notice is you are in this sideways consolidation pattern. So we've been moving sideways. 243 has been serious resistance here, and that's a bit of an issue. So this is your support. So if we get a pullback kind of around the $200 price point, that means still another like $5 or $6 or $7 pullback. But the bullish volume is there, and you'll notice that the it's a lighter bearish volume. You know what I mean? Right there where it's pulling back, it's doing it on lighter volume. So it means the selling pressure is minor, even though you've been selling for multiple days. So in this case, again, bullish longer term, neutral kind of shorter term. Let's see where things go from there. DKNG here, which you'll notice, if we go kind of to the daily, we've got some critical resistance problems right there. So this one's struggling. And now with this pullback, again, here is kind of your support. So that is a support level right there. If you take this out a bit, you'll also notice right here, there was your resistance overhead. Now that's your support. So we'll see how the volume reacts. You do notice volume contracting, which means building. So we will see where it's building to. This one has been pretty positive, overall, but wait to see if it can hold supporting price levels, because it is popular. So just be careful, be a little more neutral on it right here. That's where I'm at personally, but if we can get a bounce, or holding a price point, that would be a positive sign for the stock. So that's what I would kind of be watching. I would also look for, another support level is kind of right here. Not resistance, but support around the 36 level. That's where the swing point lies in the chart. Let's see, we've got DRI. This is the restaurant one, and it caught my eye a little bit because when you look at it more on the weekly, you can see we're kind of at all, near highs, which is fascinating to me. I think they own like Olive Garden and some other Applebee's, those types of restaurants. So when you're looking at this, here's your resistance, and there it is right there. You're pushing into the highs, which is a bit of a concern, because now those restaurants aren't doing as hot or as well, but I guess these are holding up okay. So if you notice the bullish volume, it is kind of there, but the thing that does concern me a little bit is here. We've been moving up quite quickly with this stock, and you are right at resistance, and because of that, a pullback could happen, and a strong one for that matter. So that's what I'd be concerned about. So I am neutral on it, even though it's been pushing higher. If it does break past that 125 level, that could be good, but right now this could be a little bit of an issue. So hey, be a little bit careful. It's been pressing higher. Most of the market's been pressing higher, but be careful here as you're right at resistance. FSLY is one that's fairly new to the game here. So if you look at this one, here is our resistance there. There's resistance there. You've got some support here at this level. So there's your support level. It's kind of rejecting it from the resistance, and here's your bullish volume coming in. So we've had some outlier levels beyond support resistance. So we've had some of that confluence happen, but right now you're really in the sideways consolidation area, and I think a pullback around 60, this could be a possible good value level if it gets there and bounces. So that's what you're kind of watching right now. I wouldn't jump into it, but keep an eye on it, as this one did move nicely. So nice bullish volume was here, nice breakout points. So this one was looking pretty good. You're just, you're just basically now waiting for this to come back. So, yeah, so basically here, wait for the pullback to around 60, as that is where the better value lies. Okay, so that's kind of what you're looking for in this case. So in that case, I'd be more neutral on it, wait for that pullback, or a clear-cut break at around 105. Okay, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching and joining me in this little clip video. Remember, this was just a shortened clip and version of what we do in the members section. If you want to join us, go ahead and go to the website at tradersfly.com. That way you get insight on, hey, some of the freebies, the get started pages, and join us on the membership section by clicking the members area here. That'll forward you to our members website, and you can go ahead and sign up for the swing charts if it's something that you're interested in. Anyways, thank you so much for joining us. Remember, hit the subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel, or of course, join the mailing list by clicking the link right over here. And that way you get notified as we release other great videos, products, courses, or even live events sometimes on YouTube. All right, thanks again, and I will see you next time.